Hi, it's J-Rad and today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. If you're wondering, this is a timer, and I'm going to be mixing it up right now. Okay. Looks like it's mixed up. Now I'm gonna solve it. Go! There you go. So this is a 360 angle of the Rubik's Cube. So no, it's not a prank. Green side, blue side, white side, yellow side, red side, orange side. So in the next video, I will be showing you how to solve it, what the moves are, and all. So in the next video, I will be showing how to solve it and what the moves are. So stay tuned for that. If you like my videos, please subscribe and have a nice day. Bye!